Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and good afternoon. I am Joseph Dahan from SGTech, and today I'm going to present you what we do at SGTech to make biogas a cleaner energy. What you see in this video is a black water that comes out of a biogas plant, and this comes after the biogas has been produced. It is heavily loaded in nitrogen, phosphorus, and also greenhouse gases emission. To give you an example, 100 cars, which is deemed a small farm, will produce about 1,000 tons of manure per year, which is the same as 4 jumbo jets. And what you see here at the bottom is actual pollution from nitrogen and phosphorus. When it gets to the water, it will actually kill all the ecosystem and will be also harmful to the human health. So what we do at SGTech is to enable sustainable development. And we do that by providing a breakthrough, eco-friendly solution for the production of biogas, which removes the harmful constituent of the process and increase by up to 30% the amount of energy produced at the same time. Our solution enables small and medium-sized farms around the world to increase and diversify their source of income while at the same time producing clean energy. Our solution, which we see at the bottom, has 3 main benefits. The first one, we clean the water, and therefore the water can be reused for different applications. The second one, we don't need to store the digestate, therefore we can spread it during the rainy season. And the third one, we increase by up to 30% the energy produced. In practice, we have a plant in Be'erot Yitzhak, which you can see is very close to the Ben Gurion Airport in Israel. And it's been in operation for the past 3 years. And what we get there is 65% average biomethane compared with 48 to 50% on a standard solution, 90% average nitrogen removal, and 70% average phosphorus removal. In terms of business, we intend to address the market of small farms. Why small farms? Because there are 224,000 farms with less than 500 cows in Europe only. And we are also able to deliver from order to operation in 75 days. To give you an example of the economic model, for a plant of 30 kilowatts, assuming a price of the plant of 300,000 euros, the electricity produced is 260,000 kilowatts per year, and the revenues to the farmer will be 52,000 euros per year. But the farmer will also be able to save between 11,000 and 16,000 euros per year on the digestate treatment because we clean the water. In terms of revenue to SGTech, we get 60,000 euros from the sale of the plant, which is about 20% of the sale, and 5,000 euros per year for support and maintenance. If we project that onto 1 year, 200 farms, we get 12 million euros, 8% of which are recurring revenues. In terms of UN Sustainable Development Goal, we're addressing 5 of them. One of them is number 7, we increase renewable energy share. And number 13, we reduce greenhouse gases emission. The company behind this innovation is made of 21 employees, founded in 2015, with a lot of expertise in wastewater treatment, microbiology, and artificial intelligence. We already have 4 patents and are planning to apply for more. Thank you very much.